The deadline for the UGC NET June 2026 exam is May 20th. You have a narrow window to apply. If you are an English literature student, focus on the actual exam. That is where our sponsor, LitGram AI, comes in, providing the premier study material and coaching platform for UGC NET English students. We will talk more about how to use it for your preparation later. Take a look at this checklist. Before you even open the NTA portal, you must have these 4 items sitting on your desk or saved on your computer: your master's degree mark sheet, a passport photo, a scanned signature, and your category certificates if they apply to you. Out of these 4, the passport photo is exactly where most candidates fail before the exam even begins. The NTA requires your printed name and the date the photo was taken to be visible directly on the image itself. Uploading a standard, unmarked photo is the primary cause for immediate application rejection. Step 1 is registration. Navigate to the official website, ugcnet.nta.nic.in, and click New Registration. You will be asked for basic personal information. The spelling of your name must identically match the spelling printed on your degree certificate. A single misplaced letter here creates a discrepancy that will cause problems during verification. After you submit your details and verify your OTP, the system generates this application number. Save it and take a screenshot immediately. This is your permanent login ID for the rest of the testing cycle. With your application number secured, use it to log back in. This opens the main form. In the personal details section, you'll input your parents' names, your gender, nationality, and category. If you are an OBC candidate, pay attention. You can only select the OBC NCL category if your certificate is on the central list. If your certificate is state level and not on the central list, you must select General. Next, input your academic background. Fill in the exact details of your master's degree, your university, your passing year, and your final marks. Precision right now prevents future disqualification. Taking your time guarantees you are officially in the system, meaning you can confidently turn to the study tools at LitGram AI to master the syllabus. Now we reach the subject selection dropdown. This is a critical, irreversible step. Whatever you choose here cannot be changed later. The portal lists dozens of subjects, and several of them contain the word English. Do not click the first generic English option you see. As you scroll through this menu, you are looking for exactly one item: English, subject code 30. This is the specific code mandated for English literature candidates. Locking in code 30 means you are committing to the specific 10-unit literature syllabus. LitGram AI's platform is built directly around the code 30 curriculum, allowing you to target the highest scoring sections like poetry and prose immediately. The next major decision point is your examination tier. You must select whether you are applying for the Junior Research Fellowship, Assistant Professor, or both. This chart explains the strict age-based logic you must follow. The JRF has an age limit of 30 years. Therefore, if you are under 30, select both to maximize your options. If you are over 30, the system requires you to choose Assistant Professor only. Finally, select your 4 preferred exam cities in priority order, keeping the closest locations at the very top. Your exam cycle is entirely dictated by these 2 sections. Locking in code 30 and selecting the correct age-based tier ensures you take the right test for the right qualification. Step 8 is the document upload. You must attach your JPG format photo, which should be between 10 and 200 kilobytes, alongside your scanned signature. This split screen shows exactly what the NTA wants. Notice how the correct photo uses a stark white background with the candidate's name and date. The plain photo on the right, lacking these specific details, will trigger a rejection. When you upload the correctly formatted files, the interface will display a small green confirmation checkmark next to each document. Now proceed to the payment gateway. The portal automatically calculates your fee based on your category. You can process this via UPI, a debit card, or net banking. Right here is where many students fall into the submission trap. Processing your payment does not automatically submit your application. Your application process remains incomplete until you return to the main portal after payment and manually click the final Submit button. Once you hit Submit, the system will generate this confirmation page PDF. Download it and save it. Getting this document is the true end state of the application process. If you realize you made a typo, you have exactly one opportunity to fix it. The NTA opens a narrow correction window from May 22nd to May 24th. Keep your download in PDF safe on your hard drive. The entire NTA process is digital, meaning you do not need to mail any physical documents or printouts to their office. Now that your paperwork is successfully submitted, your attention should transition entirely to the material. Head over to litgramstudy.com to access Litgram AI's dedicated Code 30 study modules and begin running through the core units. With the administrative hurdle cleared, your only objective between now and the end of June is executing your study strategy. Check the links in the description to start your preparation, and I will see you